you feel about Virat Kohli?
I was sitting with someone who was in the Delhi Ranji camp. He said call time 9:15 बजे. Night before he called someone. He says मेरे whites please prepare करवा दीजिएगा, मेरे घर पे kit नहीं आई है. He was a part of the team. He knew the discipline. He asked for the Delhi kit. He reached the Firozshah Kotla at 7:45. टीम के आने से पहले 1 घंटा वर्कआउट किया. He was ready at 9. Everyone practiced. He practiced with everyone. Everyone started, did their stretches, packed their bags, started leaving. He did his sprints after the game. Match day भी नहीं था, प्रैक्टिस थी 9:15 से 12:15. वो बंदा 7:45 आया, 1:30 बजे गया. He is Virat Kohli. नहीं बने उस मैच में रन. I agree, but can you fault his process? You can fault his judgment in that split second. That's the work ethic. And imagine the impact that it would have left on every single player in that Delhi Ranji team. भाई अगर वहां पहुंचना है तो ये करना पड़ेगा. 9:15 आके नहीं होगा, 12:15 निकल के नहीं होगा. 7:45 आना पड़ेगा, 1:30 बजे निकलना पड़ेगा.